What if I told you that right in the heart of Chicago, you could come face to face with 32,000 animals from every ocean on Earth? I'm taking you inside the Shed Aquarium, where beluga whales swim overhead, dolphins play just feet away, and you can actually touch a stingray. Stay tuned because I'm about to show you the hidden secrets that most visitors never see. The moment you walk into Shed, you're greeted by the Caribbean Reef, a 90,000-gallon circular tank that sets the tone for your entire adventure. Look up, and you'll see divers giving educational presentations while feeding the fish. Time your visit for 10:30 a.m. or 3 p.m. to catch these incredible feeding demonstrations. But here's something most people miss. If you look closely at the bottom of the tank, you might spot the resident green sea turtle taking a nap. These incredible creatures can hold their breath for up to 5 hours. Now let's head to what I consider the crown jewel of Shed, the Abbott Oceanarium. This isn't just any exhibit. It's a recreation of the Pacific Northwest coast, complete with its own tidal pool and forest. The stars here are undoubtedly the beluga whales. Fun fact, belugas are nicknamed sea canaries because they're incredibly vocal. Listen closely. But here's an insider secret most visitors don't know. The best time to see the belugas is actually early morning, right when the aquarium opens. That's when they're most active and playful. Now for something special. We're going behind the scenes to show you how Shed cares for these amazing animals. The aquarium has its own hospital, food preparation kitchen, and even a marine mammal maternity ward. Every day, the staff prepares over 1,000 pounds of food, from restaurant-quality seafood to specially grown lettuce for the sea turtles. Watch how they ensure each animal gets their perfect diet. Shed isn't just about displaying marine life. They're actively working to save it. Let me show you their coral reef restoration program. Right now, they're helping to rescue endangered species and rehabilitate injured marine mammals. In fact, several of the sea otters you'll meet here were actually rescued as orphaned pups. Here's where you get to be part of the action. The Stingray Touch experience lets you actually feel these gentle creatures glide under your fingers. But there's a technique to it. Visit during weekday afternoons when the touch pool is less crowded and the rays are more active. The Shed Aquarium isn't just another tourist stop. It's a window into the incredible world beneath the waves. Whether you're planning a family trip to Chicago or you're a marine life enthusiast, this is an experience you won't want to miss. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more hidden gems like this, and leave a comment below telling me which animal you'd most want to see at Shed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this tour of the Shed Aquarium, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing destinations. Check out my Chicago playlist for more must-see attractions.